Hello. How to compare Six Sigma, Lean, and the theory of constraints. Jamit Snyder Romero. Six Sigma is a disciplined methodology based on statistics supported in data and continuous improvement to eliminate defects in a process or service or product. Lean thinking. It is business methodology with the objective of providing a new way of thinking about the organization of human activities to get more benefits for society and value to individual people. Theory of constraints. It is a methodology to identify the most important limiting factor, that it is the restriction that prevents the achievement of an objective and the systematic improvement of that restriction until it is already a limiting factor. Comparative factors. Factors theory. Application guidelines. Focus. For Sigma. Theory. Reduce variation. For Six Sigma, application guidelines. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control. For Six Sigma focus, problem focused. For lean thinking, theory, removing waste. For lean thinking, application guideline. Identify value. Identify value stream, flow, pole, perfection. For lean thinking focus. Flow focused. For theory of constraints. Theory. Managed constraints. For theory constraints, application guidelines. Identify constraints, exploit constraint, subordinate process, elevate constraint, repeat cycle. Theory of constraints, focus, systems constraints. The following table is taken from a slide created by Al Filardo for the Continuous Improvement and Six Sigma Training Program. Provides a brief summary and comparison of each improvement methodology. For Total Quality Management, Theory of Constraints, Lean Six Sigma. For Focus approach, Improved Renewed by and Methodology. Obstacles to the improvement methodologies. The main obstacles to improvement methodologies. The theory of management as a secondary or topical issue. They do not direct policies, whether formal or informal. They do not analyze how managers are measured and rating to improve process. They do not address the general theory of management used by the organization. They do not direct the values of the organization. Jamit Snyder Romero, Logistics Management, Sena Sofia Virtual Institute.